now I'm finishing up the inside engine bay vacuum source for all the vacuum lines. To complete this, in the engine bay, I need to run a line from the fuel pressure regulator to this fitting right here in the manifold, and that will complete everything. Again, as I said before, this does look a mess. I don't care. I'm just ready to get this car started and on the street again. I can always fix it later and make it cleaner. Further ado, I got my line right here and I'm finna run it. That's that. Need to get a little measurement. It's probably about right there. Now we got to cut the line. There we go. It's ran. Let's go. Also, gotta take this line from right here. Gotta cut it. What's weird is I looped this line and now it's not coming off. I tried everything. But I just tried to pull that with all my might, and it did nothing. Lube the line, it'll come off. That's what I said. And now it ain't coming off. Damn. It's a check valve though. OEM check valve to be exact. OEM, OEM, OEM. The check valve is gonna go in between here so that I can continue to keep vacuum at all times on this side and on the block. I have brakes because, yeah, you can't have a vacuum source and then have a source that's pushing air into it. But all this is vacuum. I hope that makes sense. I believe I'm saying it right. If not, I do not give a f***. Line is cut in half. Check valve is ran. All I need to do is connect it back. And we is finished. And just like that, we are done. We're inside the engine bay. Except for the wiring. Gotta run a wiring, but I'll run it later. Vacuum lines are complete.